In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a workspace member on ClickUp, whether someone has left your team, no longer needs access, or you're just cleaning up your workspace. It's important to know how to properly remove a member. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you feel confident making this change without accidentally touching the wrong settings. First, make sure you're logged into the correct ClickUp workspace and that you have the right permissions to manage users. Usually, you'll need to be an owner or admin to remove members. Once that's confirmed, start by going to the top right corner of your ClickUp screen and clicking on your profile avatar. This is the small profile icon that opens up your main account and workspace options. From the menu that appears when you click your avatar, select Settings. This is where all the main configuration options for your workspace live, including user management. After you've opened Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see different sections you can manage. Find and click on People. If you're using ClickUp 3.0, this section might be called Manage Users instead of People, but it serves the same purpose. This page shows you everyone who currently has access to your workspace. Next, you'll want to locate the specific member you plan to remove. Take your time here to double-check that you're selecting the correct person, especially if several people have similar names. You can usually scroll through the list or use search filters if they're available in your view. Once you've found the right user, look across their row to the Settings column. In that column, you'll see a small ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Click that ellipsis to open up additional options for that user. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labeled Remove. This tells ClickUp that you want to revoke this person's access to the workspace. At this point, ClickUp will show you a confirmation pop-up. This is a safety check so you don't remove someone by mistake. To finalize everything, click Remove again in the confirmation window. After you confirm, that member will no longer have access to your workspace or its content. It's a good idea to quickly review your user list afterward to ensure the change has gone through and the correct person has been removed. And that's all you need to do to remove a workspace member on ClickUp.